The big power companies are always looking for a new way to take our money. They even started buying up big battery companies recently so they can start charging us more for batteries. And how frustrating is it to continue buying more and more new batteries, especially when the price of batteries keeps going up? The little guy needs to stand up for himself and take matters into his own hands. But is it even possible to stop buying new batteries and break our dependence on the big battery companies? Well, now it is. Because thanks to easy battery reconditioning, you can bring your old and used batteries back to life. Even a used car battery that cost a small fortune to replace can come back to life. Take back the power into your own hands today and click the link below now to learn how to bring used batteries back to life again. Stop giving your money away to the big battery companies. Click the link below now and learn to recondition and reuse your old used batteries instead.